Now what are we doing, Jagger?
Huh?
What are we doing?
Gonna make an exhaust for this, or attempt to, with the old Quiet Flow SS. I have a feeling it's not gonna be that quiet. First we had the old stock exhaust, which is packed full. So then we went from that to this, the RPM race exhaust, which is sick, sounds good, but like I said, cannot hear yourself think at all. Gotta have the radio on at least 9 or 10 to even be able to somewhat hear it. Yeah, it's just not real convenient. Sounds cool, looks cool, it is cool, not practical.
We're gonna cut that bracket off there on the stock exhaust. That way we can just still bolt it to that.
Yeah, cut that flange off.
Yeah, and that way that adapts to the Quiet Flow SS exhaust.
Keep in mind, I am gonna, shorten this up here. That goes there. Now, I mean, we still have to put the flange on. Oh my God! Oh, look at that.
Dude, that's nice. Yeah, that's actually like a really nice fit too. Little mock-up, we just pinch this, we take the gasket out, pinch this here. We're just gonna slide everything together and do a little test of how it sounds. Dude, that's way nicer.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I think that sounds cool. Couldn't have picked a dirtier day to do this in the shop. Got the new turbo R panels getting painted. We started dual toning this one, and it had a reaction, so I'm gonna sand this one down just a smidge. Doesn't look bad at all.
That's all right.
Shot a little bit off there. Making a custom teardrop. I like that. Make sure you unhook your batteries before you weld on it, just for safety. Welded up. We're gonna give her a little test drive, test run. See if there's any leaks. The tip, we're just leaving that kind of pressed on there for now. We might
Probably gonna be a leak, but
there might be. Much better inside the cab. That looks really nice. What did you start with?
80 on the DA. It's 180 and 320 on the DA. And then I ran out and don't have any other sandpaper other than this. So
Nice.
new pad compound, and don't piss out of it. And
Gives you a polished tip.
yeah. Don't try this at home.
That's insane. So we got the hanger put on there. Just got a little pipe and then polish the tip up. You gotta tack the tip on?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I kind of want to trim it. I think.
I don't know. I like that length.
Yeah.